Have you ever wondered that very few people out there achieve phenomenal success in life and has a huge list of achievements and accomplishments behind them, whereas other people spend their entire life going round and round in a circle, accomplishing not too much and are not satisfied, content, and fulfilled with their lives? So, what different these successful people are doing which others are not aware of? They have a framework which enables them to achieve what they desire and decide for and succeed in whatever goals they set for themselves. Neurolinguistic programming is a manual for our mind to better understand ourselves, to become significantly more effective in our goal settings, decision making, managing our states, shifting our thoughts and feelings to understand others in a much better way, be outcome oriented and flexible enough to sail easily through the ocean of life. My name is Deepak Vyas, and I am an NLP and emotional intelligence practitioner, trainer, and coach. And I would like to contribute and share my learnings and understanding about neurolinguistic programming, emotional intelligence, and spirituality through various videos. I hope these videos will add huge value to your life, and you will be able to use the tools, techniques shared in these videos to realize your full potential to experience happiness, joy, fulfillment, and bliss. So let's have fun. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Neuro means the mind and the thinking process, the way we use our senses to perceive the outer world. Linguistic is our vocabulary, how we use the language and how it influences self and others. Programming is our behavior, sequence of actions to achieve the goals. There are different ways NLP is defined by the founders and the co-founders of NLP, so let us dive in to know more about it. NLP is a set of skills, behaviors, and beliefs which enable people to think in much the same way as a successful expert thinks. When different people are put in a situation at the same time, they have their own set of thoughts based on how they perceive the situation, and accordingly they develop a feeling which can be good, bad, or ugly. That is, this induces a certain sort of emotional state in the person, and with that feeling comes out an action. This action decides what result that person gets. So same external situation, different people, different ways of perceiving, which generates different thoughts, resulting into a varied feeling and then actions to bear different results. At this point in time, I would like to mention that we all carry an emotional state all the time, and these people who were put into a situation are already in a different emotional state to start with. We will talk about emotional states further in different video and how do we break the state and get into the state which we think is the best for that situation. This is really powerful. NLP is the study of excellence, an extremely powerful understanding of how our minds work, how exceptional individuals and organizations get their exceptional results. NLP provides us a methodology to model outstanding performances achieved by the geniuses and the leaders in their field. Modeling means knowing, understanding, and internalizing the success strategies of the geniuses to get better results. These methods can be learned by anyone, and so you too can get the same class of results. NLP also plays an important role in transforming a limiting subjective experience into a useful one, like getting rid of a fear or a phobia by studying the structure of subjective experience and then altering the problematic part of the experience, which changes the game altogether. In our journey to achieve our outcome, we all try to influence others through different means, and NLP provides us an ethical and ecological way which is full of integrity. NLP empowers the practitioner to transform self first to later transform others, eventually making a great place to be in. Just think, if NLP becomes the way of leading life, what different version of humans we can be, and what a wonderful world we will build around us. So let us move forward to explore more on NLP. NLP has a huge list of benefits if used with a deep understanding on the subject. NLP, as mentioned, is a personal development tool or a framework which is further extended to coach and develop others through proven methods. Richard Bandler says that if you have learned to be fearful in a certain amount of time, why it should not be possible to learn to be fearless in the same amount of time? It is so quick, and so are all other changes. Be it getting clarity on vision and goals, or gaining more confidence in a specific situation, or bringing in the right behavior in a context, or performing at peak when it is demanded, teaching effectively to get the desired results, managing and resolving conflicts, and many more in various walks of life. Like every building stands on its foundation, NLP too has four main pillars on which the complete NLP is built. Sensory acuity is about perceiving the richness of external world as much as possible. As we interact in a society, it is very much needed that we perceive through all our senses to understand how people make meaning of the world and create their own reality. The more we lower the thresholds of our perception, the more clear the map of the reality is developed, which influences our ability to communicate effectively with other people. Rapport sits at the heart of NLP. It is like money. You realize that you have a problem only when you don't have enough of it. Rapport is all about how you build relationship with self and others, that you are in sync, in rhythm, and share a relationship of trust at a level where you can agree to disagree, keeping the relations intact. Outcome thinking is about being clear on what we want in any given situation and state that in a very precise, positive, and compelling way that inspires us to achieve our goals. Whatever we do, is that act related to the outcome we are looking forward to achieve? This way, many of the activities which are just killing our time and energy would be ceased, and we get ample time to do those activities which leads us to our outcome. Flexibility plays an important role. This means discovering how to do something in a different way when what we are currently doing is not fetching us the desired outcome. Being flexible in our approach to achieving the desired outcome so that we are not stuck in a process. Thank you for watching. If you got some information from this video, you can hit the like button, and if you want to add more to your conscious awareness, just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to remind you on any new post. Thank you.